Did you know some of the biggest security camera brands quietly drop their lowest prices of the entire year during Black Friday, sometimes for just a few hours? And this year, a few deals are so steep it feels like the brands accidentally approved them. If you've been thinking about upgrading your home security, this is exactly the moment you don't want to miss. In today's video, I'm breaking down 15 Amazon Black Friday security camera deals for 2025, including a couple of shockingly good bundles you'll want to grab fast. Stick around to learn about these deals, and don't forget to visit the links in the description to snag the best offers. Number 1. Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus. If you're a serious tech reviewer like me scouting amazing Black Friday buys, the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus at $99.99 was $179.99 is a steal. Hardwired for constant power, it offers 1080p HD video, 2000 lumen LED floodlights, a 105 decibel siren, two-way talk, and custom motion zones for smart alerts. Installation requires existing wiring and a subscription for video history. So if you've got the setup and want pro-level outdoor coverage on a budget, this deal knocks it out of the park. Number 2. Ring Alarm 14-piece kit. If you're hunting a comprehensive smart security setup for your home with bargain power, the Ring Alarm 14-piece kit, now $198.99, was $329.99, hits the mark. This all-in-one bundle brings a base station, 2 keypads, 8 contact sensors, 2 motion detectors, and a range extender. Covering a typical 2 to 4 bedroom home. Setup is tool-free via the Ring app, it integrates with Alexa, and the system is expandable. The caveats: for full remote features, cellular backup, professional monitoring, you'll need a separate subscription. So if you're comfortable with DIY and want big system value, this deal is solid. Number 3. Blink Outdoor 4. Now $27.99 was $79.99. This budget-friendly outdoor security camera packs in 1080p battery-powered operation, a wide 143-degree field of view, and up to 2 years of battery life thanks to its 2 AA lithium cells. It also supports smart features like dual-zone motion detection and person detection via optional subscription while being Alexa compatible. On the flip side, advanced alerts like package vehicle detection and color night vision are missing, so it's ideal for value-conscious buyers that want reliable outdoor monitoring without topping the price charts. Number 4. Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight Camera, now $75.99, was $179.95. If you're looking for premium outdoor security, this model delivers 4K HDR video, ultra-wide 180-degree viewing angle, built-in spotlight for full-color night vision, and two-way talk, all wrapped in a weatherproof, battery-powered package. That said, keep in mind you'll need the compatible smart hub and a paid cloud subscription for full functionality, and battery life may vary with heavy use. At this steep Black Friday reduction, it's a compelling upgrade if you want top-tier clarity and wide-angle coverage. But check connectivity and ongoing costs before you buy. Number 5. Ring Battery Doorbell. If you're looking for a killer Black Friday pick for your smart home setup, the Ring Battery Doorbell, now $49.99, was $99.99, is a standout. With head-to-toe video, Wi-Fi 5 GHz/2.4 GHz support, two-way audio, and a simple battery-powered install, it delivers pro-level door monitoring for a fraction of the usual cost. For a channel that teaches photographers and videographers how to review gear, this deal checks all the right boxes. Solid performance, broad appeal, clear value. Number 6. Eufy S330 Video Doorbell with Chime, now $123.49, was $199.99. This dual-camera doorbell captures both your guest and packages with sharp 2K/HD lenses, offers useful smart AI detection, faces, packages, and importantly, stores footage locally so you skip monthly fees. Its subscription, free model, and clever feature set make it a standout in this deal roundup, though you'll trade off a bulkier design and somewhat weaker battery life under heavy traffic. Number 7. SimpliSafe 11-piece security system. The SimpliSafe 11-piece wireless home security system Gen 3, now just $174.99, was approximately $349.99, is a compelling DIY bundle for full home protection. It includes a base station with cellular backup and 24-hour battery, 6-door window entry sensors, 2 motion detectors, 1 key fob, a wireless keypad, and indoor HD camera with optional 24/7 professional monitoring and no contract required. Setup is tool-free and app-controlled, and it even supports Alexa/Google Assistant. At this price, you're getting strong value for a smart home security foundation. Ideal for renters or anyone looking to upgrade their living space protection without long-term contracts. Number 8. Eufy Security SoloCam S340. If you're shopping the Eufy Security SoloCam S340 deal, now $119.99, down from $199.99. This outdoor pan-tilt camera delivers standout value. 3K resolution dual lens, motorized 360 degrees per 70 degrees motion, solar panel powered for wire-free installation and no cloud subscription required. On the flip side, the dual camera mode lowers image quality and some users report limited smart integration issues. If you want a premium wireless outdoor cam and can live with a tamper-risk solar setup, this Black Friday price makes it a strong contender. Number 9. Google Nest Cam 2nd Generation. The Google Nest Cam wired 2nd generation, dropping to $119.99, was $179.99, is one of the more compelling Black Friday security camera deals this year. It delivers crisp 2K HDR video, a wide 152-degree field of view, and seamless integration into the Google Home ecosystem. On the flip side, the subscription for full AI features and cloud recording adds up, and there's no onboard storage. So if you're budget sensitive and clear on the recurring costs, this is a smart buy. Number 10. Aqara 4 MP Camera Hub G5 Pro PoE. If you're hunting for a Black Friday steal, the Aqara 4 MP Camera Hub G5 Pro PoE, now $149.99, was $199.99, is a standout. It captures crisp 1520p video from a 1/1.8-inch sensor with f1.0 aperture and delivers excellent image quality, especially at night. Beyond just a camera, it's a smart home powerhouse. It acts as a Matter controller, Thread border router, and Zigbee hub for Aqara devices. The PoE version gives you wired data plus power via Ethernet, great for reliable outdoor installs. Downsides? The Zigbee hub only supports Aqara devices, and many advanced features, cloud storage, 24/7 recording, require subscriptions or workarounds. If you're a tech enthusiast who wants supreme flexibility and integration rather than a basic plug-and-play camera, this is a solid Black Friday pick. Number 11. ZOSI 4K PoE Security Camera System. The ZOSI 4K PoE Security Camera System, now $299.99, was $429.99, brings serious value for DIY installers. Full 4K, 8-megapixel resolution, plug-and-play PoE setup with pre-installed 2TB hard drive, weatherproof metal cameras, and solid daytime image quality. It also boasts AI-powered person/vehicle detection and a mobile app for remote alerts. On the flip side, the mobile app has been reported as inconsistent and nighttime footage isn't quite as strong as the daytime feed. If you're comfortable wiring PoE cameras and want a full home coverage system without monthly fees, this deal is hard to beat. Just be sure to mount it near power/Ethernet and budget in a little setup time. Number 12. Eufy Indoor Cam E220. If you're hunting a smart indoor cam deal this Black Friday, the Eufy Indoor Cam E220, now $29.99, was $54.99, is a standout. It delivers 2K resolution, full room pan tilt, 360 degrees horizontal, 96 degrees vertical, motion tracking, two-way audio, and local storage via microSD with no mandatory monthly fee. Setup is plug and play via the Eufy app, and it works with HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Downsides, it's indoor only, uses only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and some users report Wi-Fi range issues. If you want a budget-friendly home monitor with smart features in this price drop, it's very tough to beat. Number 13. Tapo MagCam. Tapo MagCam C425 at $64.99, down from $89.99, is a very compelling buy. It offers 2K QHD resolution, full-color night vision with spotlights, strong AI detection, people, pets, vehicles, and a magnetic wire-free mounting setup that's ideal for a vlog-style review and install demonstration. Its battery life is claimed to be up to 300 days in low-usage scenarios, though reviewers noted installation setup of the app could be more intuitive. In short, for a content creator like you, Jack, this deal gives you lots of features to demo: magnet mount, 2K video, color night vision, at a budget-friendly price. A perfect fit for a top 15 Amazon Black Friday security camera deals 2025 video. Number 14. Eufy Indoor Cam S350. The Eufy Indoor Cam S350, now $79.98, was $139.99. This is a smart indoor camera pick. It delivers sharp 4K UHD resolution with pan, tilt, and 360-degree coverage, plus dual lens, wide plus telephoto, and onboard AI for tracking without mandatory cloud fees. Setup is simple via the Eufy security app, and it supports local storage via microSD. On the flip side, it's wired, so requires indoor outlet and lacks color night vision, and some reviewers found pet detection less reliable. Overall, at this price, it's a standout buy for indoor surveillance with premium features, especially for creators like you looking to test smart home gear for your audience. Number 15. REOLINK Altas PT Ultra. If you're looking for a top-tier Black Friday deal, the REOLINK Altas PT Ultra, now $146.99, down from $209.99, packs serious power into a wire-free outdoor security cam. It delivers 4K footage with full-color night vision using Color X-Tech, panoramic 355-degree pan and 90-degree tilt view, automatic tracking, and a massive 20,000 mAh battery that promises up to 500 days in PIR trigger mode. You get dual-band Wi-Fi 6, local storage, no required subscription, microSD support to 512 GB, and optional solar panel charging. On the flip side, the microSD card slot isn't securely locked behind a cover, smart home integration is light, and if the solar panel doesn't see enough sun, your charging times may be long. All told, for that price, this is excellent value, especially for someone like me reviewing and recommending solid security cameras in 2025. That wraps up the 15 best Black Friday security camera deals 2025. Check the links below for updated prices. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more smart home deal guides.